morning students, how are you? I hope you all are well and you all practicing your exercise or your questions regularly. Yes students, what we have done in our previous video, yes, we have started the first chapter, lesson number 1, that is large numbers. Yes students, in that I think we have solved the my practice time 5 or 6, I think 6. Yes students, in that we have learned the how to insert the commas in between the numbers and how to write the numbers in words. Yes, and that is from an international number system. Yes, there are so many types of systems are there. We are using Hindu Arabic system. We also using the international number system. Now there is one more type of number system is there, and that is called Roman numerals that we will be learning today. Okay, in today's video we are going to learn the Roman numerals, how to write the Roman numerals. Okay students, this is derived from Rome. Okay, in Rome they are not using zero. Okay, there is no zero and they were not aware of place value in system also. They are using only basic symbols, and that are 7 symbols they are using. For 1 they are using L or first. Okay, it's like this I. Okay, and for 5 they are using V. If they have to write a number 5 in Rome, they are using V. That V means 5. Okay, V means 5. I means 1. Okay, and in place of 10 they are using capital X. If they have written capital X, that means they are using the number 10. Okay, and for 50 they are using capital L. Okay, for 100 they are using capital C. For 500 they are using capital D. Okay, and in next 1000, for 1000 they are using capital M. With the help of these letters, they are writing the numbers, whatever the numbers are there, they are writing with the help of this. Suppose the number is repeated 2 times. That means if 2, I have to write 2 in Roman number. Okay, in Roman numerals, how we are going to write that 2? 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Yes, 1 plus 1 will be 2. That means they are writing 1 how many times? 2 times. This is a second. That means 2 is written in Roman and 2 is written in Hindu Arabic also and in international also. Okay students, how to write? If I have to write 4, how they are going to write 4? Yes, 4 can be written as 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. They are writing 4 as this one. Yes, they are writing 4 as like this. 6 can be written as, how 6 is written? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. This is 6 in Roman numerals. Yes, how 30 is written in Roman numerals? 30 can be written as triple X. That means X 3 times. 10, 10, 10. And take the addition 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So in Roman numerals, 30 is written like this. Understand how to write the Roman numerals? Okay, if I have to write 40, how we are going to write 40? Yes students, 40, 40. How we are going to write that? 40 can be written as 50 minus 10. Yes, 50 minus 10. And for 50, which word is there? For 50, L is there and for 10 x is there. When we are subtracting, that time the second number, symbol of the second number will come first. Okay, the symbol of second number will come first, and the next is of this L. So 40 is written like this, XL. And when you are taking the addition, that time take first Roman numeral symbol of first as it is and second of as it is. But at the time of subtraction, that means 40, 50 minus 10, that time the symbol of second will come first and then the first one. Okay students, understand this? How to write the Roman numerals in international system and in Roman numerals, how we are going to write the numbers. Okay, with the help of this, I will not rub this. Now we will start our practice set or practice time 7. Okay, now my practice time 7. We have to add with the help of these Roman numerals also and subtraction also. Okay, in that the first question is write the numbers in Roman numerals. Okay, write in Roman numerals or write the Roman numerals in our language. Okay, write the Roman numerals for the following. Now the first is A. In that A is 57. How 57 is written in Roman numerals? Yes students, the 57 is 50 plus 7. Yes students, how we are going to write 57? 57 can be written as 50 plus 7, and 50 plus 7, 50. 50 is written as L. Yes, so write L. And 7, how we are writing 7? V and 2 I. That means this is 57 in Roman numerals. 7 can be written as 5 plus 2. So 5 and this 2. So 57 is LVII. Okay students. Now let's take one more example B. It is 94. And 94 is written as 100 minus 6. Yes or not? So it is in numerals, Roman numerals, it is written as XCIV. Okay, C is written for 100, X is for 10 and 4 is for 4. That means 100 minus 10 plus 4. So XCIV. Okay, how we are going to write this 94? 94 can be written as 100 minus 6, or you can write, here is X is written, X is for 10. Yes students, and this is for 4. So how we are going to write 100 minus 6 also? 100 minus 6 means 94. Yes. Now let's take one more example. The next is 134. See, 134. And 134 can be written as C X X X. 100 plus 30 and then 4. Okay. So here will be 4. Now see, 100 plus 10, 110 plus 10 plus 10. This is for 30. This is for 100. 100 plus 30, 130. And this is for 4. So 134. So 134 can be written as CXXX and IV. Okay students, understand how to write 134? Now let's take one more. D. It is 579. So 579 is written as D L. How we are writing this? D L X X I X. D stand for 500. L stand for 50. That means 550 plus 10 plus 10. 570. And this stands for 9. So 579. For 500D. For 50 L. For remaining 20, 10, 10 and 9 is there. So I, X. This is in Roman numerals. Okay. With the help of these letters, we have to write the Roman numerals. There is no other alphabets which are used in Roman numerals. Only this. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only these 7 basic symbols are used while writing any number in Roman numerals. We have to convert all the Roman numerals. Okay? That means all the numbers in Roman. How to write? With the help of these basic symbols. Okay? We have to subtract, we have to add. See here, I have add 134 can be written as 100 plus 30 plus 4. For 100 we are using C, then for 30 we are using X, 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 and for 4 we are using this. So I have written like this. Yes, similar of this is 500 plus 70 plus 9. 500 is written as D. 70, how we are going to write 70? There is no 70 in here. But 70 can be written as 50 plus 10 plus 10. 10 two times. So 50. For 50, L is there. For 20, that means 10, 10. And for 9, I, X. I have used letters from this only. Okay, students, understand how to write. Okay, take one more example. Suppose the question is for thousands. Now, two questions I will be giving for you. Question number E, 171. D question. D is 324. These two you have to write in Roman numerals. Pause the video and write these two with the help of this. 170 can be written as 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. So 100 is, which 100? C is there for 50, L is there for 10, X is there for another 10, and this is I. I have given the answer. Yes, students, understand? You have to write this 324. Okay, now let's take an example on the next is E and this one is F, the G, 2012. Now I have to write 2012 in Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, 2000 means 1000 plus 1000. So 1000 plus 1000. 2000 will be there. And 12, how we are going to write 12? 12 is written 10 plus 2. So for 1000, M is there. For next 1000 also, sorry, here 1000. Again M. For 10, we are using which letter? X. And for 2, we are using 1 plus 1. That means 1, 1. Understand this? So 2012 is written as MMXII. Okay, students, understand how to write Roman numerals. Okay, let's take one more example, which is 1170. Okay, 1170. 1000 is written as plus 100 plus 70. Yes. So 1000 is written as M. So M will be there. 100 is written as C. And 70 is written as 50 plus 10 plus 10. So L, X, X. Okay students, understand how to write this? M, C, L, X, X. Okay students. Now one example is for you. That is the last one from the first question. Okay. 3521. This is the last from first question. You have to write in Roman numerals. Okay. Now let's take the second example. Question number second is for write the Hindu Arabic numeral for the following. Question number 2. Write Hindu Arabic. That means in Roman numerals it is written, we have to write in Hindu Arabic. The first A is LVI. What is the meaning of LVI? In Hindu Arabic, yes, L stand for which number? L stand for 50. So 50 is there. And V stand for 5. And I stand for 1. So this is 6. That means it is 56. Yes students, it is correct one. L stands for 50. So instead of L we are going to write 50. And instead of 6 we are writing here 6. So 50 plus 6, 56. This is in Roman numerals. We have written in Hindu Arabic system. Okay students. Let's take one more example. B. B is L, X, 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 V, I. Okay. Now VI. It is not VI. It is L, X, X and I. Now L stand for which? Yes students, tell me fast. L stands for 50. Yes. So 50 plus X stands for which? 10. How many X are there? 3 X are there. So this is plus 10 plus 10. 3 times and the last is 1. So it is 1. 50, 60, 70, 80 and this is 181. So in Roman numerals 81 is written like this. In Hindu Arabic we are writing 81. Okay. Understand how to write the Roman numerals. Now the next question is C. C is X, L, I, X. Okay. Now we have to write in Hindu Arabic how they are be written. X, L, I, X. This can be written as L means 50. Here 10 is written before 50. So this means 50 minus 10. Okay. When the smaller number is written first and the large number is written after that, that means you have to take the subtraction of first with second. Okay. 50 minus 10. Then after take, this is a 9. So it is 9. So answer is 49. Okay students, understand? When the smaller letter, that is the letter from this, if this number comes first and this number comes second, so after in that situation you have to subtract these numbers from these. Okay. Now in this example you can see 10 is written first and then 50 is written. So 50 minus 10. Okay. Understand how to write? Now the next is from question number 2. 3-4 examples more are there. You have to solve that questions, okay? And try to solve that. I will take the revision also and give the notes also, okay? Now the last question from this exercise, that is question number 3. Solve the following. The first is C D I minus C M X I X. Now this question is for solve the following. We have to solve this, but first we have to write this number in Roman, okay? Now you can see C come first and D is after one, but here you can see the D is bigger one, smaller number come first, so we have to subtract this. So this number is 500 minus 100 and this is 3, na? Yes? So 403 will be there, first number. Now minus, second is CM. C is where? C is here, M is here. So 1000 minus 900 because C is smaller one and that is come first. So 1000 minus 100. Then this is X, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 and plus 9, 29. So it is 900 and, yes, which number it is? 929. Yes, students, the question is for addition, not for subtraction, okay? So this is 929. 1000 minus 100, 900. 900 plus 29, 929. The answer for this will be 1332. Now we have to write this in Roman because these are in Roman. Answer should be in Roman. 1000 is written as M. Yes, and 300 is, how many times C will come? 3 times. C. 100, 100, 300. 1300 is over. Then 32. 32 can be written as 3 times X. And this is 2. So 1332 is written like this. Okay, students? Understand? Now let's take one more example. The question is similar question. We have to solve that, okay? The next question is B question. LXXVI plus DL. Now here L stands for 50, X stands for 10. 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 6. It is 76. Yes, students, it is 76 or not? Yes, it is 76. Plus D stands for 500, L stands for 50. 500 plus 50, 550. Now take the addition of both numbers. The addition will be 626 and 600 is written as 500 plus, that means D plus 100 is C plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. So their addition is DC double XVI. Okay, understand how to write? First, you have to convert this into Hindu-Arabic language. This is also convert in Hindu-Arabic. Then after take the addition, then convert it into Roman numerals with the help of these Roman basic 7 alphabets. Okay, students, understand how to take the addition, how to take the subtraction. Okay. Now let's take more example. The third one, C. Question number C. Okay. C is D, C, 2 times or 3 times C is there, then X, okay, plus 3 times X, then IX. Now D stands for 500, C stands for 100. So 500, 600, 700, then 800, 810, and this will be 19. So 819. How to write? Just take the addition, okay? 819 plus, this is 10, 10, 10, 3 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. Yes, students? And their addition will be, yes, 858. Yes, their addition is 858. And 800 is written as D. 3 times 100. This will become 800. Now 58. 50 is written as L. And 8 is written as, how we are going to write 8? Yes, students. 8 is written as 5 plus 3. Yes, 8 is written like this. You have to write this in Roman numerals. Okay, students. Let's take the next example, which is based on subtraction. Okay. Till now we have done the addition example. Now we are going to solve the subtraction question. Okay. The next question is D. Question is LXIX minus XVII. Okay. Now L stands for, yes students, L stands for 50, X stands for 10. 50 plus 10, 60. This will be 69. 69 minus X stands for 10 and this is 7. 17. Yes, now 69 minus 17 is the answer 52. Now 52 is written as 50 plus 2. 50 is L and 2 is written like this. So the answer is 52. Subtraction of these two Roman numerals is this one. Okay, students, understand how to take the addition and how to take the subtraction. Let's take one more example. And last the question I will give for you. Pause the video and try to solve that. The next is CDI minus XCVII. Okay. Now the first is C stands for 100. D stands for 500. Now C come first. This is smaller one, but this come first. And large number is come afterward. That means we have to subtract. 500 minus 100. Okay.